Hi guys, this evening we prepared for ourselves a seafood special. So we have steamed crab legs. See that? Lobster tails, which is my favorite, and I think her favorite too. Giant scallop, but our best favorite is the lobster tails and the crab legs. All right.
Okay, you should get the one for crackling the.
No, you don't need to do that. Just cut this up.
Where did you buy the oyster?
Oyster is Costco. Costco. Everything is from Costco except for these shrimps.
Where's the shrimp?
And we have here our sauce, garlic butter sauce with lemon. Alright? Okay, let's start.
Thank you, Lord, for the food.
Amen. So let me see. You hear that, guys? Remember our boiling crab in Vegas?
Oh my
This is
God.
this. This is it.
Inspired by the boiling crab in Vegas. It's really good. We love it. During Rap's birthday last year, right?
So guys, if you notice, I'm wearing my Greece shirt because this reminds us with our seafood trip, food trip in Santorini, right? So show
The bay. I forgot the name of the bay.
I'm not sure, but it was in Santorini.
So this is how you eat seafood. It's messy.
There we go. Not even sure if you're gonna eat the shrimps. So let's see about that. Hi Janine, Joanna, Jubel. Let's eat.
Sus, makadumdum ko sa una. When we went to Boracay, and then the one piece of this one is like 3,000 pesos.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So expensive.
That's $60, right?
Yeah, that's around $60. It's expensive.
This one's about $11. This one tail.
Although I understand it's like in Boracay, it's in beachfront, but still expensive. It's the same thing. I think the one they used in Vegas is honey Cajun sauce, honey Cajun sauce.
Bigger.
Yeah. Maybe we can buy some seasonings next time, like a Cajun seasoning.
My wife's eating shrimps while I'm eating the lobsters. So.
The sauces, unsa man yung may love? Butter and then garlic and then
Lemon.
open this. Oh, the scallops. Oh, it's because I'm used to the scallops that's it's in the shell with the baked scallops with
Ooh.
butter, baked scallops. That's what you call it. Kuya J in the Philippines. Don't put more. I'm full. I just want to try this out.
Alright guys, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed our presentation for this evening. First ever show. One of the many to come. So thank you guys, thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Bye!